Okay, so today is October 16th, and we're going to harvest our potatoes that we planted in our bed with straw. So we harvested a few earlier, and they looked real. I'm not sure what they're going to look like now. So here we go. I'm wearing my Future Farmers of America Tractor Supply shirt because despite the fact that I'm digging potatoes, I feel more like a future farmer than an actual farmer. And given the nature of this harvest, it could be the case that I will be a future farmer because I'm not seeing a boatload of potatoes here. Here's a big one. Uh-oh. Don't want to lose that precious thing. And here's, last year this garden gave us a whole lot of potatoes. I'm not sure what happened this year. But whatever it was, oh good, here comes some. That's a beautiful potato. And here's one. These are Kennebec potatoes, which should hold us through the winter, we hope, and into the spring when it'll be time to plant them again. Because when you get this many, you better be on a low-carb diet. That's all I can tell you. This is the definition of a low-carb diet potato. The straw was used to keep the potatoes from turning green, which, this is the area where we harvested some. This looks like a little pear. It's a singleton pear, but it is really easy. Mr. Photographer, if you can like hone in on this bed, when you plant your potatoes in straw, you don't have to dig. You just pull them out. So there's a little bit of dirt on the bottom, and then it's all straw. Okay, so I'm just pulling them out. It doesn't get any easier than this. And it doesn't get any tastier either than homegrown potatoes. So unlike my other potato trials this year, this trial was not a failure. And maybe next year I really don't have to wear the Future Farmers of America shirt. I can wear a farmer shirt.